Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please watch the full video, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started.
Open Pixel Lab, click on import button, select a picture, background remove, click on erase color, enable button, adjust the image, then click on shape button, select a shape, click on color option to change the color, select the size, then click on shape, select another shape, click on stroke option, click on color option, select the color, click on sticker option, click on shape option, select a shape, click on color option to change the color, another sticker, click on copy option, on color option to change the background. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.